keep cows, you need to make sure you feed them often and enough. Getting high milk production is not just about quality fodder, it's about quantity too.
What Zainabu needs to do is first to develop a feed budget.
What is a feed budget?
Now, a feed budget looks at the requirements of the cow and also looks at how much can I produce. So you balance the two sides, the needs and the production.
Aha.
Now, for Zainabu to be able to do that, she needs to estimate the weight of this cow.
Let's do it. To estimate weight, first pass a tape around the cow's chest area behind the front legs. This cow measures 168 centimeters. Use a conversion table to find the weight. In this case, 168 centimeters equals 379 kilos. A cow should eat around 3% of its body weight in dry matter. That's 11 kilos. Multiply by 6 to find the weight as fresh fodder. This makes around 66 kilos.
And she needs that from January to December. She needs that from Monday to Sunday. We always say for a cow like this, plus a heifer and a calf, you need 1 acre of well-managed napier grass or well-managed bracharia for you to feed this cow for a year. The other issue that farmers have a mistake with, they forget to give the cow enough water. 80% of your milk is water. So if you don't give enough water, then the cow will not give you the amount of milk you require.
Yes.
And that's the mathematics we want farmers to do.
Do you love maths?
Yes, I love maths.
You love maths?
Yeah.
Especially when it's maths about money. Don't you know what the farmers around here call it?
Yes.
Vitamin M.
What is vitamin M?
Money.
Vitamin M is money.
Money.
That's nice. Who doesn't want vitamin M?
Now to more maths. When growing fodder grasses, you need to keep all the costs in mind. This will tell you how much money you need to get going and how much you can expect in return if you want to sell it.
You have 1 acre of land,
Yes.
you want to plant your grass. So what you do, you need to know how many kgs of seed will you need to plant that 1 acre.
Yes.
After that, you need to know how much is the cost of the fertilizer that you are going to use.
So for 1 acre of grass, you will need 2 kilograms of seeds costing around 8,000 shillings. A 50 kilogram bag of planting fertilizer like DAP at 3,000 shillings. And a 50 kilogram bag of top dressing fertilizer like urea at 2,500 shillings.
And then we still have labor. Where do you get your labor from?
From the neighbors.
You pay them.
Yeah.
How much per day?
Around 200 per day.
200 shillings per day. How many people?
6 people.
6 people. That is 1,200 shillings.
Yes.
And then weeding 1 acre. How many people for 1 day?
That is 2,000. We do use 2,000.
So let's add labor to our expenses. Planting labor is 1,200 shillings and weeding labor is 2,000 shillings. What's next?
During harvest, how do you do it?
We hire people.
1 acre harvesting will cost how much?
1,200.
1,200.
Yes.
So add the harvesting labor of 1,200 shillings and our total expenses from planting to harvesting comes to 17,900 shillings. Now, let's see how much profit the Scouties will get.
So from 1 acre, you can get 133 bells from 1 acre.
133.
Yes.
Yes.
And remember the harvest is after every 2 months. And the price for Cayman, standard bell is 15 kgs. It weighs 15 kg.
Yes.
You sell at 350 shillings
350.
each.
Yes.
Each bell.
So, if one bale is 350 shillings and the Scouties harvest 133 bales from their 1 acre, then they will get 46,550 shillings from the sale. But remember, they have the expenses of 17,900 shillings.
So our profit is 28,650.
Wow.
Oh.
That is what you'll be getting after every cut.
Every cut.
So that's after every 2 months.
After
Yeah,
every 2 months.
Wow. Yes.